In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentages in Excel. This is a simple and very useful skill, especially if you're working with test scores, sales figures, budgets, or any situation where you need to compare one number to another. In this example, we'll calculate what percentage obtained marks are out of total marks. First, open Excel and locate your worksheet. You should have your values entered so that the obtained marks are in one cell and the total marks are in another. For example, if the obtained marks are 85 and the total marks are 100, those values might be placed in cells A2 and B2. Next, click on an empty cell where you want the percentage result to appear. This is where Excel will calculate and display the answer. Once that cell is selected, type the formula equals A2 divided by B2. In Excel, that is written as equals A2/B2. After entering the formula, press enter on your keyboard. At this point, Excel will return the result as a decimal. So instead of showing 85% right away, it may show 0.85. That's completely normal because Excel is calculating the ratio first. Now click